Let's imagine that we are working on the WISE design system and we have all those components as a part of our design system guidelines. But when I go into the product, I actually want to see how those components are actually being used in the product. And the way how you can do that is by using Infa AI extension. And you will able to see all your components right here. And by turning on the discovery mode, it will actually highlight all the components that you have within your design system in the product. And when I click on the specific component, I can read all of the details and most importantly, find links to Figma, GitHub, documentation, Atlassian, Jira tickets, and other things connecting all your external resources with the components in the browser. And when I see something else, I can tag more components directly in the browser and say that this is new component that we would like to refactor, send it to my colleagues, and when they will receive this link, it will open the right URL and will actually highlight the component that you are talking about within the browser. And the cool part is you can always go back to FigJam if you are doing some brainstorming, and plugin called Infa AI, the same one, allows you to pull all the things that you tagged in the browser to the FigJam. Let me just pull up the things that we've tagged just right now. And I will able to see what kind of components we have from the design system and what kind of components I would like to refactor. The most important thing is I can always go back into the product and see where this component is actually coming from. And also I can see the visual representation and the code capture of it. Another interesting thing is the new version has a reporting measuring feature that will help you to measure adoption, the coverage of your design system by the visual real estate ratio and the nodes ratio. And you can actually see what kind of components are contributing to your coverage. When you want to make some changes or maybe provide some more documentation, you can actually change your components and provide this kind of details right here. And Infa AI Assistant allows you to quickly scan the current page and suggest components to define so that you're able to quickly create your design system, document, inspect, evolve it, and measure your adoption of your design system. And if you want to see more, feel free to join our Inspect and Reflect sessions, our community events, where we are diving deeper into the products that are using publicly available design systems to learn from it. So we already had a lot of sessions going through GitHub Primer design system, IBM Carbon design system, and we have upcoming sessions with Dan Mall, Donnie, and other superstars in the design system industry. I'm really excited for it, so looking forward to it. See you there.